Hi guys, TomTheTeacher here, and as you can see, I'm back with another Scratch episode. If you've watched my update video, then you know it's supposed to be posted today, or possibly yesterday, depending on whether I've had time. I'm not sure yet. But it's Scratch, episode 3, and we're back with this sort of weird zebra game, if you remember this. Which is just random black hole there and stuff like that. And first, I'm just gonna do a quick playthrough of the game, just to show you if you can see the problem. The horse's movement is just incredibly laggy, so I really wanna fix that. So if you can see, move 25 steps. That's quite a few steps. So there's a complicated way where you can do very smooth movement, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do a sort of simpler method. I mean, it's not as effective, but you know, it's fine, and it allows for a bit of acceleration. Actually, it's quite complicated, involves variables. Will take up most of the episode, but it should work really well. I haven't tested this out, but we'll see. So variable name would be run. Running, actually. Running. There we go. We don't want to show running yet. I should call it speed or something, but you know, the running's fine. So what we're going to do is we are going to take these things right here. When left arrow, when right arrow, key pressed. And what else do I need? I need to have the up and down arrows, don't I? Up arrows, down arrows. Okay, so it's gonna be largely the same coding for all of them. We got all this space, which is really nice. I do wish that you could make this screen size slightly bigger. I mean, you can make it full screen in presentation mode, but then you don't have any coding, so that's a shame. Look, you can actually have it like super small as well. Look at that. Ugh. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take the variable. We're gonna get running. You know, we're just gonna do it all for one piece, and then we can just duplicate it onto the rest. So these ones can just move off to the side for now. So set running to 0. So when you press the arrow, your running will go to 0. By the way, we're gonna change the speed later. But first, we're gonna get this done. It's gonna set running to 0. Then what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to take forever. Okay. Actually, no, forever if. I've got a better idea. Forever if. Speed is. So this one. Running. Forever if running is lower than 20, which would be 20 steps. We are going to change running by 1. Wait 0.0001. Actually no, that's a bit 0.01 seconds. Now what that should do is actually wait, let's see if we can get running to show. Running there. If I click play, you see that. So running will keep on increasing until it's at 20. Then when you let go of the left arrow, then it's going to stay at 20, but it's going to set the running to 0 the moment you press the button, the left button, and so restart the sort of movement. So that should work out well. So that's going to allow for a bit of acceleration, and it will make the movement hopefully quite a bit smoother. So we're gonna keep these here for now, and then we're going to not move 25 steps, but move running steps. So it's quite a cool thing. If you see, most of the sort of variables you can do, they have a sort of circular tab that just allows you to insert a variable into it.
if you see obviously a tab with this sort of triangular ends, you can put in some operators like these and sensing stuff as before. So that's quite cool. So we're just going to see how this works. Okay, well it's a bit smoother, I guess. What is it doing? It's not. Problem is, it's not setting running back to 0. And when I click the right arrow, it kind of glitches. So running to 0. It should set running to 0 when it's pressed. Maybe the running's changing too much. Maybe my key's just too sticky and it thinks I'm still holding it down or something. Okay, well that's kind of weird. Oh wait, no. Oh, I know. Oh wow. Can't believe I didn't see that. What it's gonna do is when the left arrow is pressed, it's gonna go down to here, then it's gonna go here, and because it's a forever if, it's just going to go. It's just gonna keep on going round and round and round. So how do I change that? Oh god, did not think this would be this difficult. And also I think we should allow for top speeds of 30. I reckon that would work out well. Because at the moment he kind of gets a bit slow, doesn't he? Okay, where's he gone? What? Hang on. What's happening now? Why is he not showing up? Have I not set him to show? Oh god. That's embarrassing. I can't believe I haven't done that yet. Is it working? I can't. Ah, I see. Okay, I see. Yeah, that's what's happening. It's going through the commands once, and then it stops because then it continues in this loop. So we have to. High CPU usage. Oh, thanks for telling me that. Yeah, the movement's going to be a bit laggy automatically from the high CPU usage, so it's quite smooth. I think to fix this, we're just going to have to take out the forever if. Just stick in an if. Problem is, it's going to go through that once, and that's it. So maybe if we go forever, maybe we have to use an if not. So, okay, if not, it's a new thing, because I'm going to teach you. You have if, right here, and that means if that happens, and this is going to happen. But, if not is when you take an operator as the not one, then it means if that isn't happening, then it's going to do something. So if running is not lower than 30, i.e. if it's 30, and we might have to put an and in there as well. And oh god, this is getting quite complicated. And key left arrow. So when it's above 30. Actually, I could. I don't know. Oh my god, I can't remember this. I could just put if running is equal to 30 or something. Yep. Okay. So if running is equal to if running is 30, and you're not pressing the key left arrow, I think it would set it to 0. I think. Wait, or no, I'm gonna have to. Okay, this is gonna start getting really complicated here. Because what I've just realized. Hopefully you're keeping up with this. If you're watching it. If you're pressing the right arrow, then technically you're not pressing the key left arrow. So when it reaches 30, it'll automatically go down to 0. So you'd have to be pressing all the keys down at once. So to change that, if you're not pressing any buttons, i.e. you're not moving at all, then the same thing would have to work. But the only way to do that is if we incorporate all of them in this sort of OR event, which is quite complicated. Nope, what did I do? I did something. Key up arrow. Yep. God, this is hard. You have to take the right one. And finally, key down arrow. Is that gonna work? Nope. Yes, I think I've done it. Nope. Get back in that. Oh my god, this is hard to move. There we go. Gotta grab that one. So if there we go. Oh my god, look at that. So if that actually we'll have to do forever if that, right? Because then if we do forever if that, then we can just go set running to 0. Okay, so I'm accelerating. Wait. Accelerating, hit 30. But it's still. This board is really starting to piss me off. There we go. You can just go away. I wanna test out my movement. The thing is, it automatically goes down to 30. So. You know, let's just take these out because we don't need them anymore. Now he's just going in like ecstatic bursts. Oh god, now it's lagging. I think I was holding it down too much. Wait, is the running? No, the running's changing automatically. Oh my god, I know what's going on. Oh, phew. This is difficult. This turned out to be a lot harder than I thought it would. So what I've done is, if any of these arrows aren't pressed and the running is 30, it'll set running to 0. But because that's a forever if function, I think I just have to change these to ifs. Is that what I was doing before? Oh, that's what I was doing before, wasn't it? That's what I was doing before, yep. Okay, please tell me this will work. Okay, right click. Help. Keep doing this forever. What did I do? Oh, I accidentally pressed help. Double tap this. Still doing that.
I'm just gonna get rid of this, okay? And just get rid of that and function in general. So it's just whenever I'm not pressing a button, it'll go down. So it's still. If I press all of them, what happens? Then it works. But I've done OR. I have used the OR function. OR. That makes sense now. That makes so much sense now. How can I not see? Okay. So, if you're just feeling completely lost, well, yeah, I know. What I was doing was, when I was trying to make sure that if you were pressing any one of these buttons, it wouldn't work. But what I've done is it's saying, or if this isn't pressed, then it will work. Or if this isn't pressed, it will work. So what I would have to do is do and. What I could do is I could say if that. What's the other operator? If I've ever used. No, they're just those two. If I use. And oh my god, I know what I would have to do. I would have to go. Not this or this or this or this or this, and or this or something like that. Okay, well, do you know what? I am done with this. I'm actually just done with this. So let's get all these out in the open right here. Get those to just bomb off over there. And just say, as long as you're pressing a bloody button, it will stay at acceleration 30. Okay, how does that sound, game? How does that sound? Clean up. Okay. Oh my god, why is it lagging? What? It's lagging really hard now. Or it's just not working. Still an all there. Oh my god, that cheeky all. What are you doing? Oh my god, for a second I thought it wasn't gonna work. Yes! And it works, and now I can bring you back. Guess who's back? Back. And now I'm accelerating, and now I'm going. Yes! Works. I have to make it a bit less OP though, because I think it's just you know, a tiny bit OP. Okay. Just set those to 0.1. Where are the rest? There we go. Where is the last one? Oh wait, that. Yes, that is perfect acceleration. Did you see that? Look, you see this? How it's just slowly going up. I mean, it will make the game slightly harder, yeah, especially if the ball's coming straight towards you. But once you get going, that is good. That is good. Should I just play one game through of the game? One playthrough? Oh, okay, level 2. And, god, that's hard. Okay, well, next level, I'm gonna sort of nerf the OP-ness of these basketballs. Like, jeez. That's quite a tough game. Yeah, I'm just gonna work a bit on the sort of fairness and logistics of the game, rather than sort of the coding, because I've done the acceleration now. You know what? I hate to say this, but I'm still not really happy with it. Because after all this, no, oops, what was it supposed to be? Is that 0.1? I think that was 1. Because after working quite a long time with all this acceleration, you know, it might as well be perfect, right? Why? I wouldn't want it to be any different. That's nice. That's nice. That's not bad. So next level, I'm going to work on the logistics. I'm also going to make it that rather than just going to level 2 if you die, you would go to level 2 if you survived a certain time frame. So next episode is all about time and Scratch. Guys, thanks for watching and see ya.